Hello again, Aaron Curtis here. Today I'm reviewing a meal from eXplosive Custom Macros. I'd used these guys in the past before and I really like them. You dictate the macronutrient profile that you want, or you can dictate just the portion sizes of the certain foods that you want. These meals today, I've gone with 300 grams of lean beef steak and 500 grams of non-starchy vegetables. That's a normal size meal for me, so perfect. They were quite surprised I wanted so much veg. They said they'd never put 500 grams of veg in one meal before, but they managed to do it for me, all in the one container. So that was fantastic. Better go get the meal. When we get the meals dropped off, they come in this bag. It even has my name on it, look at that, isn't that cool? It's insulated, so it stays a bit cooler. The meals are fresh. They're not frozen. I love that in a meal prep company. I hate getting frozen meals and having to store them in the freezer and defrost them. I much prefer to get them all fresh and just chuck them in the fridge and just eat them straight out of the fridge. The meal itself, meat and veg, non-starchy veg. All right, what have we got in this one? Seal, quite well sealed, easy to open. I'll be able to see things a bit better with the lid off. So we've got steak, zucchini, kale, eggplant, and that's about it, I think. The vegetables are fine, pretty standard. The meat, the steak, always really nicely done. Really soft, and it looks like it might be a bit dry, but the meat stays really moist. I'm not sure how it's cooked, but it tastes good. They may lightly season the vegetables. The meat, not so much, which I'm fine with because I tend to season all my meals just before I eat them. So everything is generally cooked plain, and then I'll add salt, pepper, chili, lemon, apple cider vinegar, other herbs and spices, whatever. So yeah, again, I love this meal prep company, not just because the meal tastes good, but because I can actually specify the amount of animal, the type of animal, the types of vegetables, the amount of vegetables, everything that goes into the meal. So 300 grams of animal, 500 grams of veg, and the meal only cost me $12.5, I think. Good value in my opinion. The ordering process is very easy. I get the meals dropped off on a weekend. I just have to confirm the order early in the week. So it's kind of like 1 week prior. Some of the other companies you almost need 2 weeks, which is really annoying. You've got heaps of different options to choose from. Lots of different types of animals, lots of different types of vegetables. Obviously you can get your carbs in there as well, your rice, sweet potato. I just went with plain meat and veg because that suits my dinner meals at the moment. I'm dieting for a bodybuilding comp, and my dinner meal, and unless I've just trained and trained very late, then my dinner meal just tends to be meat and non-starchy veg. So everyone, get down to mealprep.com.au. I want you to leave a detailed review of any meal prep company you've tried before. Go into the running for a $100 Coles gift voucher. See you next week.